So I finally finished my sloppy shop cooler. I got my cheap ass Northern Tool and Equipment fan, copper coil, PVC line, and an old shitty cooler that was just rotting on my porch and isn't really good for anything anymore, but still holds water. So in there is a pond pump for like a bird bath or something, and then I froze a bunch of gallons of water in my shop freezer over there. And I'll take a temperature reading in a little bit, but I bet I get 20, 25 degrees of temp drop on it. When I was testing it, had it all put together, it was running just in a 5-gallon bucket with some ice water, and this thing was right beautiful to sit in front of. But yeah, not bad for what? I'm in this thing probably 35 bucks for the fan and the miscellaneous junk, and like I said, I just had an old ass cooler sitting around, and I think I paid $3 for a 6-pack of gallons of water. Not bad.